Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5074109 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to go to Windows Update in Windows settings. Over here you can see pause update option, so click on pause over here. Once paused, now click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, the next step is to start and restart these services. For this you can type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Now find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click on app readiness and then click on restart. Now make a double click on background intelligent transfer service, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Again make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Windows Update in the list. So scroll down somewhere at the bottom, you will find Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now you can update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working, run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow and run all these commands one by one. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. This process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, and once the second scan is 100% complete over here, you can run the third command. Copy and paste it on the paste it on the same window, and once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, write down the name of the update, that is, go to, like, if you see retry option over here, you can click on retry and then check. Now copy the, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5074109 over here. Click on search. Let me change the, so first of all, check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. Check your version. In my case it's version 25H2, and then check your system type. So open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option, and over here you can see in my case its system type is 64-bit operating system, x64 based. Now for this, for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. And if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Now click on download and click on KB5074109 over here and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can run this file, you can install this update manually and then check. Restart your computer after this. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, and then go to advanced option. Here you can see recovery option, click on recovery, and over here you can see the option which says fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once it is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working, use media creation tool. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run the exe file, and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next, select ISO file and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save and let the download complete. That process will take some time, and once done click on finish and let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept over here. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install the update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.